Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're in Incognito, act now. First, verify the private window by the mask icon and dark UI. Once confirmed, begin closing. Close the current tab if you only want that gone, or close the whole Incognito window to end private browsing. Use Alt plus F4 on Windows to close the active window instantly. On a Mac, use Command W or Command Shift W to close tabs or the window. Make sure to close every Incognito window so no private session remains active. Once done with the visible window, check for others. Incognito sessions can be open on another monitor or a minimized window. Make sure to inspect the taskbar or dock for additional Chrome icons. If you can't find the window, right-click the Chrome icon and select the Incognito preview or Open Task Manager, Windows, or Force Quit, Mac, and close Chrome processes labeled as Incognito. Doing this ends every private window. That's the only reliable way to fully quit Incognito mode. To finish, reopen Chrome normally and confirm there's no mask icon or dark header. That signals Incognito is closed. If an Incognito badge still appears, restart Chrome, which forces all sessions to close, and then reopen. If problems continue, reboot your computer to clear stuck processes, and make sure Chrome is up to date so behavior is predictable. Remember, closing every Incognito window or force quitting the browser is the only way to exit private mode. That's the practical fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.